shit. Some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all
Oh
ain't
my
really got
god.
shit. Some of y'all just look lost.
From the baby. Yes. Oh, hello. So cute. Guys, I feel like I'm so in nature right now. Go.
That's the way I like it. Yeah, that's the way I like it.
Oh, he's holding one. What's this?
That's the way I like it. That's the way I like it.
Like I like things.
Should I fold that bitch no yoga mat?
Good morning, guys. I just woke up. We're from the country. Hi. We're gonna have some coffee, lewak coffee. And I just picked up. So cool. What the heck? Guys, it's so beautiful. Don't touch it, it's very easy.
Just keep until 1 week. After 1 week, we change every week.
The banana tree is so cool. Guys, I feel like I'm so in nature right now. Like, I feel at home. Wow, it's very steep. Oh, hello.
We have clove, white pepper, black pepper, and this is turmeric or curcuma, yeah, the yellow one. Like this, like a bar, we call nail coffee. This is already clean. This is already clean.
Oh, so strong. Oh, it smells so good.
This one, the smell is not good.
This is a powder mint.
Yes, this you can do.
So is that good?
Yeah.
You guys doing even worse than me. I'm gonna go straight down.
Just until color change, become more little bit white.
Guys, honestly, I just want to say I'm literally in love with Ubud. Like, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, this koi fish, what the hell? Wait, guys, this is literally koi fish. I'm gonna show you. What the heck? It's like literally a magical jungle. What? Guys, look. Fish. Guys, I'm not kidding, like I don't want to leave because it's so insanely gorgeous. Like I feel so at peace. Can you hear the music of, like can you hear the sounds of all like the animals and creatures? It's so crazy. Picking up your phone. Yeah. Okay guys, we're taking like cute little photos because Instagram is gonna eat the hell up. Okay. No, they're copying this one. Oh my god, what the hell? It's so cute. It's in circles.
From the baby. Yes.
Oh, hello. So cute. Oh my gosh.
And will he ever have this morning or last night? Here? Yes. Why don't someone actually play with it? Yeah, sorry, I misunderstood. The last time we came here, everyone maybe pull in and have a look.
That's so cool.
There, so we can see any signs, because maybe they'll have a sign.
Okay, we're actually
Okay guys, we're gonna have breakfast finally. It's literally almost 11 o'clock. Finally getting breakfast.
Hello. And it does have
Okay guys, we're about to go bike riding through the forest. We just went to the primary school and the kids were so cute.
I want to like move and become like a teacher.
Literally. But and they're so happy. Anyways, I'm picking this bike. So hopefully it doesn't break on me. But yeah. Look, the spiders are insane, guys. No, thank you. Oh, not near me though. He's trying to grab the spiders. I don't want to die. And he's grabbing the spiders. I don't want to die. Oh, he's holding one. What the hell? What the? What is one doing? Ellie, no.
Yeah, it smell
Oh no.
what do you call it?
Not with my bug phobia. No
It's
thanks.
not bite, it's not sting. It's not hurt. Is it gonna bite you? Yeah, it hurt.
No, mom. Hey, smile.
We're not even riding though. We're just sitting. I like that. I just
How you going, mum? It is really.
It's not too hot, you know?
Yeah.
It's not
It will expand the tree, get bigger and bigger.
This tree, guys, is 300 years old, and then every month someone has to climb the roots to ring the bell up there. Little room up there to climb it.
Cutting and touch the ground. But durian not grow.
We're walking in the forest.
camera back behind you.
Hey guys, we are going to the waterfall now. I'm so excited. It's so gorgeous, and we're like in the jungle. It's just insane. It was a nice bike ride. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, this is insane, guys. Like, what? You will not be finding this in Australia anywhere. Oh, I think they're sleeping. Don't worry, I got it. That guy's like singing. I love that. I honestly look like I got dragged, guys. Oh.
All you do is just
My
pick
skin
one.
is open.
And this is for the first card that you have to choose. It comes without blue color. Will give you the message that comes from your past. Will become your spouse.
That's what's defined by what you do. That's on period. Conflict between your mind and your heart. Very deep, very deep. True love that lasts a lifetime. God, I actually need to do this like me. No, you just went high. Guys, we're at this wizard place, and it chooses our food based on what cards we pull. And the cards apparently say something about like our past, present, and future. These are all the cards I got. My past was that apparently my heart was broken, which, like, yeah. My present is that I need to rest and I need to slow down, which is so true. I don't know why I'm always running around. And my future is that I need to create an awe sanctuary. Okay guys, we just finished the entree. I got a salad, and what is insane is, like, I didn't record this, but literally all our food were matching our outfits. My food was a salad, and I'm literally wearing a green skirt. Mum had a pumpkin soup and she's wearing an orange dress. Indy had this pink red thing and she's wearing a red top. And Caitlin got this like this shrimp which is like cream and like in a blue bowl. And she's wearing cream and blue. Like, isn't that insane, guys? It's like are we in some sorcery? Like, hello. Let's go.
What is that one? Thank you. It's barramundi. You got
Our next meal is coming. Chicken. How is yours?
very nice. So this is
Oh, it's very soft. Chicken. Caitlin had a oh, this is a bit hard to cut. There's chicken guys. Guys, we found this outside area and it's literally insane. Like, taking photos because, hello, this is literally the gateway to heaven. Oh my gosh, and there's so many people piling up inside. There's a lot of cute little photos here. Oh my gosh, wow.
Indiana.
Go. Ready, guys? That's